We're going to do a quick video on EUR USD, EUR USD Analysis Today. We've got a daily chart of the euro versus the dollar here in front of us with three moving averages. The green's a 5, the red's a 20, and the blue is a 200-day moving average. Let's just go back over here and take a look at the euro. And we can see back in here around June of 2021, we had the beginnings of a bear market, just a classic bear market. And you can see it's been characterized by some nice little sell-offs that respect the 20-day moving average, and then some profit taking and a decent rally that comes up nicely, respecting even the 5-day moving average here. The 5-day moving average to decline is just beautiful. It's almost straight, and it's clearly respecting the 20-day moving average. You get more severe sell-offs here, but you'll notice once it broke the 200-day moving average, it's not really getting too far away from the 200-day, and as it does, it comes back and checks it. Too far away here, comes back and checks it over here. You can see it went sideways until it ran into the 200-day almost, and then kept going down. This is just classic technical analysis we're talking about, and it's beautiful to see it like that. That's the great thing about the currencies. They're really a great way to learn technical analysis and to employ technical analysis. You take a look here, respecting the 20-day moving average. Again, coming across and selling down, coming across, selling down. This is all following in a kind of a modified curve, the curve of the 200-day moving average, and you can see it best right here. You can clearly see what's going on. As it moves across, it goes back down, moves across, goes back down. And so that is just classic technical analysis right there. So we get to today, we can see we're very far distance here below the 200-day moving average, and for scale, let's move it back. You can see that this is well due for a rally here. If we stick with our basic behavior, we're due for a rally. We're due for a rally right up about, I would say, this probably this 1025 level, 1025 level. And that's probably mid-September. We're due for that. This is all in my opinion, all for entertainment purposes only, but that's my best guess right at the moment. There's always a possibility we've seen the bottom in this, and in which case you get some seesaw motion back and forth in almost to early November until it ran into the 200-day moving average. I don't see that happening right this second, but you never can tell. This has been a very long bear market for this, and over a year, and it wouldn't surprise me if we make a hard rally to the 200-day, but right this second we're below the 20-day moving average. The 5-day moving average turned up a little bit, but doesn't mean a whole lot right at this point. We're still below the 20-day and clearly way below the 200-day. So I see more of a test here, as I said, in this 1025 by mid-September, and then we have to take another look at it. Keep in mind, it could sell off hard. This is all in my own opinion and for entertainment purposes only, but that's my best guess of it right now. Let's take a look at RBAM Research and see what they say about it. We're looking at the EUR USD, and let's take a look down here and see what they say. These are algorithmically generated entry prices, and we're looking today, the 31st of August. These come out every morning before 7 a.m. for 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day holding periods. Sometimes buys, sometimes shorts, but always one or the other. And let's take a look. It says 1 and 3 zeros all the way across. So it looks like 1 and 3 zeros and 3 sevens. So let's go back up and take a look and see where we are today. And 1 and 3 zeros. Let me see here. It's got me a little confused, but we clearly have it looks like we traded through that, so we're these prices are live today. They've come through and hit through all of these prices today, it looks like to me. And so keep in mind, they're for entertainment purposes only. You can never use them for anything but entertainment. But if your own analysis says you can buy in this range, you might be able to make some money here. We've clearly traded below it today, and so these would be entertaining spots to look at today for holding periods ranging from 1 to 20 days. Let's take a look and see how that works. If you buy today at anything close to this, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, this column says buy today, close out worst case at a loss just before trading tomorrow. And same thing for 2 days. Let's go to 20, buy today, something around there, depending on your own analysis. Hold it for worst case 20 days, close it out at a loss, worst case, or take your profits as soon as you get them. All these are take your profits as soon as you get them, even if it's the same day that you put the trade on. Worst case, close it out at a loss just before the end of trading at the 1 through 20 day holding periods. That's how these work. And again, they come out, they're algorithmically generated. They come out every morning, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. You can get them absolutely free, no credit card required, at rbamresearch.com. In addition to Forex, we cover 190 stocks, we cover crypto, BTC, and we cover the most liquid futures contracts. There's a link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. You just go there and sign up for free. Again, no credit card required. And again, they're updated every morning, Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you want to leave us a comment on how to make these videos better, we'd love to hear it. Please leave one in the comment section below. And for entertainment purposes only, everything you hear or see is for entertainment purposes only. It's all our own opinion. You have to trade, you definitely trade at your own risk, and you have to use your own analysis. You can't use our entry prices for anything other than entertainment.